the snow today, probably 10-15 inches so far. Alright, I think this is where I get off. I only got two-wheel drive, barely keep up the speed. Now I just gotta find the exit. Where the hell am I? Found it. Here it is. What do you want from me? Uh-oh, I'm going off the road. Woo!
We'll bring you back a treat. Yes, we will.
Probably a lot better than nothing. It's a big furry thing that goes over the microphone and keeps the wind noise from...
It seems like it would be offensive to cat.
Offensive to cat. So it's March 14th, the blizzard of 17. Like, we grew up with a blizzard of 66. Everybody knew about that, but that was before there were big snowplows and good stuff, and it was a lot worse. But on this same day,
no way,
March 14th,
was it really?
1999, it was a big blizzard. Tully's!
Crazy people.
Ooh, going to Tully's. You gotta eat.
That's right.
Even during the blizzard, you gotta eat.
My knees, my poor knees.
Even though you're going to Tully's in a blizzard.
It's got nothing to do with it.
Tully's. Bye! You got snow in your hair.
Really? Oh,
Don't hit my mailbox.
now you tell me. There you have it.
Like, only got about another couple inches. Look at that.
Crazy mutts, come on.
Hey babies, hey babies. 10 minutes to 7 on a Wednesday. Time to dig out. Alright. Looks like another 10 inches or so. Fill her up. That must have taken close to a half hour. I'm going to take the Nissan Rogue today. All-wheel drive. Alright, let's call this the Blizzard of 17. What do you think?
CommonFundMTG.com. Common Fund Mortgage. Uncommonly easy. No expected. There is a travel advisory affecting about 8 bucks. We can hook up with one of the local spots down, keep the offices closed.
Yeah, Mark said they punched it and it went out.
Now we're at work and there's no power.
Let's try hunkering down for a little bit.
Said hang loose and see what happens.
Who, Nate?
Yeah. What else can you do? There was nothing there 3 days ago. Yeah, it's out. It's out all right. I didn't know these exit lights had batteries. Not too much more snow today. So when we got to work, the power was off. After all that snow blowing and shoveling and driving, we get to work and we can't do anything. So we told the guys to just hang around and try to go to work as soon as the power came on. Came on at 9:30 and we all went to work. Now I'm gonna go hit the gym on the way home. My Manly keys. I don't think I have to even brush the car off. Okay, so you ready for this? So I came here to Planet Fitness, do a workout. I do an hour on the bike and 15-20 minutes on the weights. I come back out here, I start the car, I get out of the car, I brush the car off, And bam, I can't open the car. Unbelievable. I had to call Colleen to come bring me the spare key so I could get in the car. Why does this car do this? I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna break it. Did not touch anything. It locked itself. For that, I'm gonna go to Applebee's and I'm gonna
The American Action Network
probably some crappy food. Hope you're happy, Nissan.
So it turns out it's half price wine Wednesday at Applebee's. That's what I'm talking about. Wasn't a bad day after all. Do I have to go home and do the driveway?
Yes, yes.
I'll finish my wine first. The Syracuse University didn't make nobody's really too excited about it. Not like the real deal.
Cobbed up now. Everything all cocked up.
Thank you for bringing my keys, honey. Oh God, it's been a long day. Applebee's was delicious for like 11 bucks. It was pretty good too. California Merlot.
Oh, baby, baby.
I think the blizzard of 17 is coming to an end. So the streets were filled with snow. Blizzard of 66, look it up. It's a winter wonderland, I'm telling you. Get out of my way. Get out of my way, biatch. Here we go, full throttle. Let's kiss this thing. There we go. Crazy day. At least you're part of it. I let you be a part of it. All right? So you got that going for you. There you are. Focus. Focus. Oh, poor camera's cold. Blizzard.
It's got nothing to do with it.
Blizzard.
It's got nothing to do with it.